NHM 6300, the world-class high-performance horizontal machining center with high reliability design. NHM 6300 is the new upgrade model from DOOSAN HM series. Machine offers higher rigidity, larger stroke, and more convenient features. Designed to provide maximum reliability, NHM series main spindle reliability is based on improved gear train and bearing design. Furthermore, the ability to put 10,000 RPM built-in spindle allows wider working range for the machine. New NHM 6300 Servo Type ATC allows 2.0 seconds tool change time to offer higher productivity. You can choose from standard 60 tools up to maximum 376 tools. NHM's new servo motor, auto pallet changer. Improved pallet changing time to 200% faster compared to previous model. Covering chip pan is integrated with motor for easier chip disposal and prevent chip problems. Based on FEM analysis, NHM 6300's new W-shaped bed and M-shaped column base structure assure high rigidity. Also, the one-piece bed structure minimizes thermal deformation and provides a long lifetime, stable accuracy. DOOSAN extended width of guide way for high rigidity and accuracy, and with optimized rigidity of major sliding parts. The dynamic rigidity has also been improved to allow machine to be capable for heavy-duty cutting. NHM 6300 bed is designed to prevent any coolant leakage and machine flushing is standard on NHM to provide improved convenience and maintenance. The distance between operator and the workpiece has been minimized, so operator can easily set up workpiece fast to maximize productivity. For operational convenience, NHM 6300 has swivel-type operation panel, and the standard oil skimmer extends the coolant life to improve working conditions. NHM 6300 is designed to be the optimum horizontal machining center to fit your needs. We assure you that it will become your best business partner. Thank you.